In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create logic and properties using your HubSpot account. If you're looking to streamline your operations, designing logic and properties can be a game changer by tailoring the data shown according to your needs. Let's get started by heading to our HubSpot dashboard. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot User Guide. This is an essential resource because it lays the foundation for understanding how HubSpot operates and gives access to various tools and settings. Once you're there, look for a settings icon. You might find this in the top navigation bar. Clicking it will open up a new range of customizable options for you to explore. Now, from the settings area, you'll want to focus on the section titled Properties. It's crucial to get familiar with this space because it allows you to manage the different data fields you might need for your contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Take a minute to explore the options here to get a sense of what's available. Next, once you're in the Properties section, you'll need to find the Conditional Logic feature. Conditional Logic is a powerful tool because it lets you show or hide fields based on other property values. This means you can personalize the data fields that your users interact with, making the interface cleaner and more efficient by only displaying what's necessary at any given time. Engaging with this feature can significantly enhance user experience by reducing clutter and irrelevant information. Now that you're familiar with conditional logic, let's dive deeper. Take a moment to read over the section labeled, "Get the data you need by showing the right properties at the right time." This area explains the benefit of using conditional properties. Essentially, it allows you to trigger certain data fields to appear based on other inputs, a bit like magic for your workflows. Think of it this way. If a particular answer is given, the next relevant question will immediately pop up, ensuring that your forms are as concise and effective as possible. While refining these rules, consider the user journey and anticipate which information is crucial for them at various touchpoints. You can think about conditional property logic as a conversation, dynamically unfolding based on each response. A thoughtful setup can minimize user friction, keep interactions smooth, and ultimately enhance efficiency. Before wrapping up, I recommend giving this process some careful thought and planning. Test different logic paths to ensure they work as intended and adjust as necessary to meet the needs of your business engagement strategy. By seamlessly incorporating conditional properties, you elevate the overall proficiency of your operations. That's it. With these steps, you've set up logic and properties in HubSpot, improving not only efficiency, but also user experience. Thank you for joining today, and be sure to harness this newfound capability to its fullest potential. Until next time, happy optimizing.